YouTube, what's going on? CJ the Detail Guy is back with another video. It's an update on the TTop 83O's Cutlass. Alright, today is June 13th, 2023. As you might can see back there, I got my trailer, which means I'm on a mission. So I'm actually headed to go pick up the Cutlass. Cutlass is ready. The Cutlass is ready. It's repainted. Everything's been done to it. The guy cleaned it up real good. When I get here, of course, y'all know I'm gonna show y'all everything with the car. Now, granted, hold on real quick, y'all. Now, granted, everything is not, I'm not gonna say not. What I'm gonna say is, I ain't rich. It might seem like I got a couple dollars, but I work hard for everything I get. So, I had them redo the car, but some stuff was too deep where I pretty much would have had to redo the whole car over. So I had to just tell him to, fix everything he could in my budget, which he did, like everything. Now some of the waviness within the doors, the bodywork within the doors, he did the best he could without having to redo the whole car completely over all the way back down to the metal, which I wasn't trying to pay them prices all over again. But for what was in my budget, he got me together. He did a few little extra things just to, because I done sent him some business up there, since, we started dealing with each other, so he appreciated that. So he did mostly everything else that I asked him to do with the car. I'm getting ready to go pick it up now. So once I get there, y'all know I'm gonna do a quick little walk around of the car, so you guys can see everything, so I can see everything, so I can document everything. But everything is done, and I'm actually on the road headed there right now. So once I get there, once I get everything together, I'll hit y'all back. YouTube, what's happening? It's CJ Detail Guy. I'm back. Well, like I said, I was going to pick up the Cutlass and bring that on home, get ready to put her together. So I ain't gonna hold y'all up. My man here at Mars, he really hooked me up. We didn't already just put it up on the trailer, so I'm gonna show y'all this joker now, how it look now, when everything is done. So, boom. So everything that has been done to it now, all the panels been reworked a bit. If you remember, the front all the way across been painted. The hood is clean. It's dusty out here, so stuff flying up on it. We just finished pushing it. So as you can see, that paint is clean. It don't have no trash in it. It's smooth, it's slick, got a whole different look to it. He used a way better clear, the clear that I originally wanted to use on this car, that the other guy used on somebody else's car. He went back to that. So if you could tell by them panels, if you see me, that's the panels. If you could tell by them panels, it's a lot clearer as far as the clear coat go. And everything's been done. If you can look down here at the bottom, you see how he fixed all of the black trim down the bottom on the rocker panel all the way across. He sprayed that with the black textured rock guard. Even redid my frame and stuff for me all the way down. He did that all the way to the back. All the runs and things that was in the car, I mean, they redid everything, so they got all the runs out, all the panels and stuff, they got all clear. Look at that trunk, got my trunk stuff clear, everything cleaned up. Y'all know this right here is the camera, and this part right here is the lock. So we got to get that straight once I get to my shop. I think I already know how I'm gonna do that. But everything's clear. The burns and stuff that was all on the lowers that was across here, all that stuff is now gone. Like I said, he cleaned the paint up so good. The paint even looks different. It looks deeper and darker. Like you can literally see the color, but the clear is right. Again, all that was inside the doors, the chipping and stuff that was there, he fixed it, and he put the rock guard, chip guard all the way across, all the way up the doors. All the drips and things that was on the car, he took care of all that stuff for me. Now I gotta be careful with that because I don't got my weather stripping in there. But he cleaned me up, even on that body line. If you can look at the body line, he adjusted it, and he also did the body work to it to get that body line straight. So there's no more U-shaping my body lines no more. He got everything done. The burns gone. Paint is just clean. Even on the pillars where it was chipped and burned, he took care of all that. When he did this, he resprayed the whole entire piece up top, so that looks way better. As I said, with my hood, everything's a lot cleaner. Don't got no whole bunch of crazy spots and things on it. Everything is a lot cleaner. Like I said, he painted all the way across. The bumpers and things, I got them at the other shop already. Those things are already clean. So, I mean, the car basically been done since last week. He fixed it up for me last week and let it sit for a while. And there was a couple little touch-ups that he had to do that he took care of. So those things have been done. Now the next step for this car is to get ready to get the quarter tops done. I'm about to go there next, and I'll probably show you the video of that, of the guy looking at exactly what he got to do with that. If you look at this door, like I said earlier, in order for him to get all of them dents and things out, he would have had to go all the way back down to the metal, basically restart. And like I said, I ain't no rich dude, so I told him do the best that he can. And as you can see, he did. It ain't as wavy as it was. The clear helped out a whole lot, but she looked a whole lot better. A whole lot better. So now once I get, and the crazy part, man, with that black down bottom right there, that give that car a whole nother look right there, y'all. Whole nother look. It look factory now, exactly how I wanted it. So yeah, so now the process is to clean it up, put it all back together. I gotta, and that's the crazy part, y'all, this not even wet sanded or buffed. This out the gun, out the booth, clean. So I really only gotta use probably, I see maybe a couple little nibs here and there. So I'm gonna hit them with the nib remover, and I probably really only gotta go about 2,000 to about 5,000 on this joker to get the shine that I want to come on up on them. But it's looking good. It's how I want it now. So shoot, now it's time to get it put together and get it looking good. I gotta still go into this frame. I didn't have them do the frame part. Y'all know right here, that's just body putty. That's body putty. You hear that? You hear the difference? Same thing up front right here, just body putty. So I gotta get all that fixed. So that's also gonna be next, and I'm gonna re-clean all the bottom of my undercarriage all up. So yeah, so I'm slowly fixing everything that was messed up, that dude messed up. So as I'm getting this stuff done, y'all gonna see the process of me putting it all back together. So y'all be patient with me. I have something for you. So yeah, this CJ detail guy, when I got a few more or got a little bit more, I'll give y'all a shout. All right, go. Me too. On the way out, I just wanted to catch this one too, y'all. Look at that joke. Got the, I don't even know what them is. 4Gs or whatever they is. This is El Camino. Get that thing. It's my man Ace joint, El Camino SS54. This thing clean. It's his shop right here, Ace. You need mechanic work, come here. He got a couple vehicles in there now he working on, but This thing here clean. He got a blue one just like it with red stripes. Wait till you see that one. The same guy who just painted mine painted that other blue one. So that thing is a beast. But this thing is off the chain. Off the chain nice. I had to stop and catch the picture before I pulled off. But y'all see that thing. Y'all see that thing. Looking good. Looking good. What size wheels are these? I think they 22s, y'all. Let's see. Nope. They 24s. 24s. Things look good, y'all. Paint clean on that joint. Thing nice. That thing is nice, y'all. Alright, I'll hit you back when I got some more.